Okay, we'll start with the Mustard C49S, size 16 or smaller. I've got some sheer tan 40-0. This is a little deer hair hatching midge. Another pattern that is excellent, very easy to tie. So we just go back to about there. I've got just about 10 or 12 long deer hairs with nicely marked tips. So we want to tie these in for the tail. So we just tack them in first with one hard tight turn. That's good. And then we can go back down the hook bend till we've got the body at the correct length. Go a little bit more there. That's good. And then we can just lock that off. Then I have 3 moose hairs, one black, one white, one brown, but you can choose the colours yourself. I just like the effect of these 3. Gives very nice segmentation. And we just tack these in and we go back down into the tail base, keeping all 3 moose mane hairs together, and then we can go up over the abdomen into the thorax, and we want to tie all these hairs down tight into the hook eye. Make sure that you've got all the hairs on top of the hook shank when you come to the hook eye. We're going to use these later. That's good. That's perfect. We can just keep there. Just turn our vise this way and we take the 3 moose mane hairs. We want to keep these parallel to get the best effect. The first turn wrap is the most difficult, but once you've got that in the box, we're okay. We just go up in nice neat turns all the way up over the abdomen. You can see the body, oops, slightly changing colour now as we get to the top, into the thorax, and once we're there we can swap over like that and tie those off. That's good. You can see with the subtle changes of the colour of the moose hair, you get a very nice not only segmented but gradated body effect. That's good. And we go back into right tight in behind the hook eye. Then we go back to the rear of the thorax. We take a CDC puff and we just tack this in rearward like that, and then we pull it through. I need another turn in there just to keep it on top of the hook shank, and we pull this through carefully, not too tight on your tying thread. And then we can tighten up like so. Good. I've got some brown olive superfine dubbing. And we want quite a swollen thorax on this pattern, so we just put that on and go up here and just build that thorax up like that. Another little bit of dubbing. Put that on there ready. Then what we do is we separate half and half, more or less, the deer hair, and we lift the wing, or the wing bud, and then we just tack that in like that, and then we pull this one around, keep the wing up, and we tack that one down like so. We trim off as tightly as possible without cutting anything else the deer hair at a slight angle. And trim that off a little bit more. Just like that, and then we bring our dubbing up and we go in front and behind, just to give that bulbous thorax. And we take our wick finisher like so. That'll do us fine. And then we remove our tying thread and we trim off the wing. And that's it. It's a lovely little hatching midge that works extremely well. If you enjoyed the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.